In this experiment, we identify properties of two different elements, iron and sulfur. We then create a mixture of the elements in powder form and attempt to separate them. We then performed an experiment to chemically combine the two elements and create a compound, iron sulfide. We started with a mixture of sulfur, a yellow non-metal found in the group 6 of the periodic table, and iron powder, a grey solid metal found in the large transition metals section of the periodic table. We then used a magnet to separate the iron from the sulfur.
Whoa! Oh my god, take a picture of that, dude. Okay.
As demonstrated here, mixtures can be easily separated. In the main part of the experiment, we added about 2 grams of the mixture to a test tube, and once all safety measures were in place, we began heating the mixture. Slowly to begin, this melted the sulfur, and here it can be seen bubbling in the test tube. The smelly fumes produced were largely kept in the tube by having a mineral wool plug inside. After the sulfur had melted, the heating caused the reaction to take place. The reaction itself is exothermic, meaning it produces heat. This, along with the production of the gas, is a sign that a chemical reaction was taking place. After 5 minutes of continual heating over a roaring flame, we left the test tube and its contents to cool. The final stage was to remove the solid lump from the test tube. It was necessary to break the tube in order to remove it. We then tested this newly formed solid and found it to be non-magnetic. This is one of the indicators that a compound had been formed, iron sulfide.